Ben, one second. I'm still on the phone, but I'm going to start this.
I see the skyline with a neon glow. Dreams on the rise where the rivers flow. Chasing the stars with a fearless stride. My funded futures take me worldwide. My funded future.
Bongo. What's up, Denny? Oh, baby. Unbelievable. Great night, another week. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Unbelievable. We saw gold trade below 4,000, hit that 39.85, rallied about 30. S&P's, can you believe the S&P 69.16 at one point today? Unbelievable. Hey, what's up, everybody? Chief Trades, 80. How are you, Denny? 26,000 on the NASDAQ. That's just completely insane. Completely insane here. How are you, brother? How's everything? Good, thank God. Oh, that's awesome. How is the, uh, did you find the right device that you needed? Yeah, yeah. Awesome. Come on, let's smash the chat. Let's go. Who's saying that? Let's smash the chat. Fiber Spice. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, everybody. Welcome. I tell you, Denny, we saw some really great patterns today in the GLDs. Right, the GLDs reversing to sell here. I'll show this to you. On the 30 and the 60. Look at this monster bear flag on the 30-minute. Gold drop 25 on that pattern, brother. That's a beautiful pattern. That's an absolute Picasso right there. That's the Picasso. Look at this oil making new lows. Denny, when's the market gonna get cabooshed here?
It needs to get cabooshed before. Actually, you know what? I don't even want it to get cabooshed. Let it keep going up. It'll get cabooshed sooner or later.
It will, right?
And when it does, it will caboosh super far, and then we can climb right back up.
Yeah, no. You remember about April? The S&Ps were trading 48.32 that Sunday night, and I remember my phone blew up. People were like, "What the heck? My 401k?" And I'm like, "Listen, who's to say that the market's always got to go up? I mean, like, you people think like it's just inevitable to constantly go up, you know?" I said, "But I don't think you should be selling. I think you should be buying here." I posted on Twitter, Bitcoin. I posted on the S&P should go to 55, 5,600. Little did I know, but then I did say 6,500, but I'll tell you, unbelievable, to be honest with you. Really unbelievable here. So we saw a lot of action in gold today. Danny, how'd you do today?
I did not trade today. I was trying to get everything set up for some stuff that's going to be coming to my funded futures very shortly. I'm not going to go into detail for that. But yeah, I didn't really do too much of trading today. I did look at the market. It did look like it was bullish. It looked very bullish since last night.
Yeah, the key here was if you look here, you can see the underlying ETFs here. If you look here, I'll show it to you. The 15-minute, look at the 30-minute time frame. The big buying pressure, the big running ADX here. I mean, it was just unbelievable. Gold, another look at this gold. Just before we got on, gold just dropped 8 here.
Yeah,
I
I'm
think
looking at
this
gold
gold's
right
going to get cabooshed though. I think Wednesday they're going to cut interest rates a quarter. Okay, where do I see the S&P and Nasdaq going? I think down before up. So I think down before up for 2026. 7,400 maybe 7,200 on the S&P. 7,200. All right.
Do you see this? Do you see this huge opening yesterday night on Nasdaq though?
Did you see that?
Yeah, I was
68.90, then it
surprised.
dropped 27, and then gold got cabooshed all the way down to 60, 70, 40, 20, 40, 20, 74, and rallied up to 41.25.
Nasdaq opened 200 points above what it closed on Friday.
I know, it's crazy.
It's very crazy.
It's crazy. Like, who's buying up here? Who's buying? The guy who bought gold at 43.91, he jumped. 43.91, Denny. Can you remember that? That was that Tuesday night. Can you remember that? Damn. Not I. Not I. If you want to take a scalp long on the S&Ps, look to maybe go like 04, 05, 09 here. You should get like 1 to 2 points on the upside. Nasdaq up 17. Nasdaq should get another push up. Now, when you see this pattern like this here, this pattern is going to make a lower high here. If you want to take the scalp right here. See this MACD negative, the algo reverse to sell. Any push up should make a lower high. Indicator 3 should get overbought into this negative MACD here. All right. FF traded, that's my line. Look at this gold, cabooshed. Man, this gold, I'm telling you, this gold is going to 38.50. So we saw, I was kind of surprised, Denny, when gold hit 4,000, I thought there'd be like 3,000 or 4,000 contracts to sell at, stop orders. And it really wasn't, only about 400. And it pushed the gold down to like 39.88, which wasn't that bad, Kind of surprised. Well, we're competing with the World Series here. We only got 289 people. We gotta get to 1,000, Denny.
We need to get it to 1,000.
295. I don't say we should. I've given away over 160 free access to my 7-day free trial, right? And I got to tell you, only about like 40 people signed up. It's free. I don't get it. So that means that the other 120 you can't win for 3 months.
You see these people saying that NQ is tanking or melting. It's only dropped 20 points.
What, S&Ps?
No, Nasdaq.
Nasdaq just dropped 40.
I'm looking on the 5-minute time frame. This one candle.
No,
this second candle.
From the high?
No. I'm not looking all the way from the high. I'm looking on the 5-minute. I'm looking at the last 2 red candles. It's only dropped about 20 points. But either way, Nasdaq dropping 40 points. With the moves that Nasdaq be making, 40 points does not surprise me anymore.
Nothing at all. Right?
Yeah.
S&Ps just traded up $1 here, and then right back down. Unbelievable. All right, anybody new here? Anybody new here tonight? Place of one here. If you guys are new, ICT NGL. Then are you gonna do a giveaway tonight? Denny?
I don't know. I gotta fill out chat tonight and see how they're gonna be doing. Make sure there's no what's it called? No one bad mouthing us tonight or trying to cause chaos or things like that. I want to see how they're going to do before I say yes or no to a giveaway.
S&Ps, I look to sell these 09 and 3/4 up to 11, 11 and a half. This rally here. There goes the NASDAQ rallying. Gold getting kabooshed. Next bounce on gold. Somebody just texted me. NASDAQ 26,500. Gold 3,500. I can see gold at 3,500. NASDAQ 26,500. I'm backing up the truck buying the SQQQs then. Look at the S&P's rally. You get that one? Well, it's straight up to 11, so it starts scaling out, right? You have offers out. Remember?
I do.
Okay. Good job. All right, welcome everybody on TikTok. Again, if you are on my TikTok, you need to go to my Funded Futures YouTube. And you need to subscribe when the time is right for the raffle. Period. For the raffle. Okay? For the raffle. All right. And please hit the subscribe button on both. SK Trading 11. Not bad. Artan. How are you, Artan? Right there. You should have been practicing P's just now. Well, I said look to buy 05 to 09 and just got down to 08 and a quarter. So you should have been scaling in on the long and scaling out on the way out. Okay, there goes the S&P. Anybody buy the S&Ps there? Or NASDAQ? NASDAQ just ran about 18. NASDAQ just ran about 14. Unbelievable. Anybody new here? Crypto King, how are you, Crypto King? Systems. Where's Artan? Artan, you're famous. They're all asking for you. Where are the rules for today giveaways? We haven't issued any. Systems M, Pro Trader. Milton Barros Leon, how are you? Whistleblower RIP. It was, can you believe tonight it was 87 degrees? Okay. Ryan Nichols just posted a new copier for Ninja for up to 20 accounts. Wow. Ryan Nichols, thank you for building that. Hey Artan, what's up, brother? What's up, Artan? Trade flows. You long the NASDAQ at 85? Just trade them. Rocky Mountain Tradies, how are you? Wayne Williamson, congratulations. Welcome. Welcome. All right, I'm probably willing to do, Aaron, we're going to do 30 giveaways tonight. All right.
Gotta earn it, right?
Gotta earn it. Gotta earn it. All right. Ryan Nichols, thank you so much. I cut my tongue really bad, believe it or not. I don't know what I did. It's so hard to talk. Danny, how are you? Danny Malato, 3559, how are you? Danny, we got to get these viewers up.
We are working on it, Steve. We are working on it.
I'm going to post some videos in the next couple of days here.
I don't know if we'll do a socials giveaway. I still plan on doing it the same way we've been doing it, but I just want to see how big we can grow and how active the chat will be tonight without any negativity, or how long we can keep people, you know?
And we only
Pierre,
got
you don't have to do anything. You'll receive an email stating that you want an account. For the people who have not received their accounts yet, you will receive it. It'll just be a little bit later before you can receive it. I'm contacting the guy right now who was supposed to issue them. And I think he's just been sick for right now. So just give us a little bit more time, please. Ethan, no, let's not have any negative balance either. How about we have some positive
what's
green
Ethan
balance
saying
tonight?
here? Bear
Ethan's saying
trades,
that
kaboosh. Bear trades, love him. There he is. Vil, hola, hello, hey Vil, is that my neighbor? Is that Vil? Is that you? All right, very, very quiet here, Denny. Jesus. Everybody's watching the World Series. Very, very quiet here. Wow. I hope you're out of the S&Ps.
Oh, yeah, I've been out.
Okay, good, because I told you that's going to make a lower high there. Okay? It's going to make a lower high. All right. Good GG? What do you mean? Of course. Why can't you trade? Opening Asia session due to no activation. What? Email? Why is gold slow this evening? Because it was crazy this morning. It was crazy during the day. Julian, thank you. Gold going to down. I think gold's going to get cabooshed. Absolutely. I think gold is going to get absolutely cabooshed here. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. All right. Very quiet. Look at this gold making new lows here. Very new. 400 watching. All right. Aaron, should we post a little link for people to sign up, or it's still too early?
I did already.
Oh, all right. Aaron posted in for what, SK?
Yeah.
SK and My Friend the Futures.
I gave it to
Denny.
Denny.
You guys got to sign up if you want a free giveaway to my 7-day free trial, 9 to 4 every day. Hey, Bob Barker, how are you, Bob? MW Trades, how are you? Gold to 39.90. I agree. Gold continues to dump this week. I think so. I think, like I said, I think the interest rate decision on Wednesday is already built into the market. I do. But we have earnings that are coming out. Meta, Microsoft, and Google on Wednesday. Apple, Amazon, Reddit, and Roku and Coinbase on Thursday. I'll just be right back for 1 second. Be right back, 1 second.
I think that NQ is going to keep going up, so I think we might hit 27,000 by July.
47,000.
Well, no, 27,000.
Oh.
I'm not crazy now. Hang on. ICT, that's what I think.
Oh, there goes the gold getting kabooshed. If this gold gets, oh my God, if this gold gets down to the 78 and a half, 77 and a half, 85 and a half, I'd probably look to buy for a scalp. It just got kabooshed. Oh my God. Right back up. You see these negative MACDs here? These are the stops. This rallied 7. If this thing gets down 76 and a half, probably to 76 and a half to maybe 80. Let me see. Where's the low here? I'll probably go 77 and a half, maybe to 85 and a half range. Oh my God. Wow, right back up. Damn it. $10 on the gold. Damn it. Gold probably going to be a short here. This gold gets up to like the even 80 up to like the 06, 07, 80. I'll probably look to short it into these negative MACDs. Just rallied 10. Hey, Nitschku, how are you? I can't even say it. Nitschkumar. Okay, it went to 86.67. I see it right here. Oh my God. No, 87.20. Looks like. Let's see. Wow, this gold. Now you see the gold here. When it pushed down here, the MACDs are positive on the 30-minute time frame. That's why you got the bounce the way you did. But unfortunately, I wasn't here for that. All right. Unfortunately, I wasn't here. Pac-Man, you think 36.67? If this gold, let's cancel that gold short. I want to see if this gold can get up to the 10 bar. If this gold gets down here, I want to see the negative MACDs like this. If this gold gets to like the 03, 0280, 0380, I'd look to short it here. Ethan, how are you, Ethan? What a beautiful short. Great job who caught it. This was the short right here off the 15-minute time frame. Right here. That's the price. 403.80. Right? I don't say 4,000, 0380. I say 0380. Right? I don't say the whole price. Jesus. Anybody get that long on the gold there? Anybody get that long? Denny's here. It's just a quiet night. Denny's here. Trade Warrior, how are you? Hey, Tory Trades, how are you? Oh, chasing gold? I agree. All right, this gold's setting up a nice bear flag here. I want to see if it gets up a little. I thought maybe 02, 03, 04 up here. You only got the short? All right, this gold right here just dropped 4. I was hoping for this bear flag short here. Look at this negative MACD right here. Denny, you see that negative MACD? You score, okay. Chris Knopf, how are you? Oh, I agree. But you still got this buy divergence here on the 15. You still got this buy divergence on the 30 with the MACDs. You still got this buy divergence. Let's see what the 60s look like. Nope, 60s are terrible. Let's see if this gold can get a push up for shorts. Let's just see here. Again, that first push down right here, rally 10, because of these buy divergences on the 30 and the 15-minute time frame. Hey, Denny. Denny. Oh, it doesn't happen to Denny. Denny there?
I'm here, Steve. I'm here.
Yeah, hey,
I'm
Denny,
working on other things.
somebody wants to know if they didn't get their they won last week for My Fund the Futures. What should they do? Should I just
They don't have to do nothing. I'm already in touch with the guy who's supposed to issue the accounts. He will issue them later this week. They just got to be patient and give us time, please.
It's because this person is saying they won last week. So I'm asking.
Yeah, they won on Thursday. The accounts for Thursday have not been issued yet.
Okay.
They will be issued soon.
Okay, thank you. All right. Very, very quiet here. Everybody's watching. Well, it's so the first thing somebody's asking, do I recommend? I can't recommend. Number one, you want to see me wear an orange jumpsuit? That's the first thing. Number two, you have to think about how many contracts you want to trade, right? Okay. You have to decide how many contracts you want to trade. That's number one. All right. Okay. Number two. Okay. Number three, if it's a scalp trade, you have to determine how many micros you want to trade. Are you going to trade 5 micros, 10 micros? Are you going to scale it every $2, every 2, every 1.5? Everybody's different. That's a bear flag setting up on the gold here. If you had 10 people line up, right? 10 people, nice out on the gold, on the S&Ps. I told you it's going to make a lower high, okay? If you had 10 people line up, okay? Hey, T Mills. Everybody welcome T Mills. What's up, brother T Mills? If you have 10 people, okay, and 10 people line up, and I gave a range to buy or short gold. I was short this gold here. If it gets up to the 0280 to 0880, okay, I would short this gold. Now, I'm calling a range where you should be scaling in Well, it was every 1.5, every 2, every 2.5. Okay. Now again, that was a buy divergence. When I walked in, I said look to buy 85.5, and of course, what happens? They get down to 87.2. Okay. 87.2. Bear flag setting up on the gold here. I missed it by 10 cents. Look at this. Okay. Anybody new here? Place a 1. Okay. Anybody new here? Place a 1. Go like 02, 0380 to like probably like 0980, 1080 range. You gotta scale in. So this gold, again, off the buy divergence, just ran almost 20 right here. Almost ran 20 here. Okay. All right, everybody. Jack, Kaylin, always learning. Let's see if this gold can drop a little bit here. Probably a little early. I'd be scaling in right around here. Is prop firms a good idea? I think so. I think prop firms are great. S&P gold just ran 20 off that buy divergence. S&Ps, I told you we're going to make a lower high. S&Ps hit that 11, 11.5 and got cabooshed. You can look to cover this gold anywhere from the 0280, 0380 to like 0580 range. Just look for a scalp short. Let's see if they get a caboose in here. Gold longs? I was looking for gold here, right here, on the long, right here. Okay, I was looking for gold longs here. Okay. Let's scale in. Okay. So gold just ran 21 again off the buy divergences here. That's why I was trying to jump in and buy it. I missed it by $1.50 here. And again, you got to switch to micros here. Very, very quiet here. Just looking into the 10 bar. 8.5. Right here. Looking off the overbought condition into the 10 bar. Right, I'm pointing it right here, Jonathan. You gotta look at the screen behind you. Right here. I'll show you in a minute. See if there's gold here. Again, if you look at the bigger time frames, gold's bullish on the 15. Bullish here is on the negative on the 30. Gold is negative here on the 60-minute time frame. Anybody trade Bitcoin here? Anybody trade Bitcoin? Anybody trade Bitcoin? So this, do you see this buy divergence here on the gold? Should have waited to get this a little bit more overbought. This thing should drop down to the 0780 maybe here. Let's see. So this was like I said, when you made the new low here, the MACDs cannot confirm on the 15 and the 30-minute time frames. You trade Bitcoin? Okay. So Bitcoin, just to reverse the sell on the 60-minute time frame, Very powerful. 5-minute time frame. If you look at Bitcoin right here, you can see Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin pushed up here. You see Bitcoin right here pushed up to 114,360 and then got kabooshed here. See here on Bitcoin? Unbelievable. That gold went from 87 up to 12. Anybody trade silver here? Anybody trade silver? We cover this gold between the 0380 and 0880 range if you're short. There we go. Just scaling it in and out. So if you're short gold, you just go every 2.5. Go 11134, right? And it drops. Your average price should be higher, right? Okay. Right. Let's see here. S&Ps just got down to the 08.5 level here. Where are you at? Why?
I don't know. I took a picture.
All right, S&Ps, if they push down to this 08.5 level again here, the 15s are getting deeply oversold here. Fiber Spice, how are you? Fernando, how are you? S&Ps just rallied too. Let's see here. So if you look at the Bitcoin here, like I said, you can see Bitcoin pushed up here. The 15s pushed up here. Look at the 60-minute time frame, getting kabooshed here. The 60 reverses to sell. Look at the negative MACD here. You want to get the overbought condition into the negative MACD. S&Ps just ran too. Nasdaq just ran. Yes, yes. They come from all over, yes. Nasdaq, let's see if we get one more push down on the S&P. Look at this gold. Okay. There's a futures instrument for metals. Rare metals? No. I don't believe it. Scale into shorts? Yes. Bukra 18. Okay. So again, on this Bitcoin, you can see the 60-minute reversing to sell. Now, when these 15s roll over, look out below here. Look out below. Do the trades. Good job. Do the trades. Who, Ethan? Who's saying that? Look at this Bitcoin. This Bitcoin. If these S&Ps push down here, let's see where this gold got down to. I think gold got down to 06. Get down to here. Right back up. Got down to 07.5. Any score in a baseball game? Gold got down to 0690 here. Let's see if these 15s, these 5s can get one more push down. Now, with the 5 positive here, any push down should make a higher low. You can't, Jay Shine, you can't be breaking rules, Jay Shine. Right? All right. 1-0 Dodgers, good job. Very quiet here. Arton does not play for the Dodgers. Absolutely not. All right, we got about 17 minutes. Go right back up. This gold trades at 17 to be up 30 off the low. So the strategy that I was saying to go along, the people on TikTok who are being disrespectful, I'm about to turn that TikTok off. Okay. Yeah, I actually cheated. I can teach it to you. If you look here on the 30 and 60 minute time frame, when this gold pushed down, okay, wise ass over there on TikTok, okay. If you want to see, this is if gold checks at 17 here, you'll be up 30. Here's the 30s turning up. So you got the oversold condition here, okay, into the positive MACD, right? That's why I said take a scalp short on the gold in the $10 range, and it dropped down to 0680. All right. If you look here, when it made the new low, wise ass, okay, in TikTok, all right, you can see that the gold made a new low right here in the overnight session. The MACDs, you tell me if the MACDs made a new low. This is a buy divergence, okay, right there. Boom. That's why I was calling for the long, all right? That's why I was calling for the long. So I was looking for 85.5. The low there was, I think, 87.20, right? And you know, my funded futures has given a lot back here. Okay, over 400. What are you about 470 now, Denny, in the night session?
Yeah, I think it's about that much. No, you cannot join SK's giveaway if you won it last week.
This gold's going to drop here. Let me see one more push up. Just short of 15. 5. 16. Just dropped 4. Okay, in the let's see here. When China opens, you think up and then down or down and then up? I think up and then down. Gold S&Ps. Again, if they trade down to the 05, 09 level, I look to buy them. Nasdaq, if Nasdaq gets down to the probably down to the 57 to the 75 range. Again, you need to scale in. Okay. If anybody wants me to teach them the scaling in and scaling out progress, no problem. Okay, I'll teach you all. Okay. All right. BB Rich. Okay, only 31 people signed up for my free giveaway. I'm not doing this anymore. It's too much work. You know what I'm saying, Danny? It's too much work.
Oh, I know. How many people have signed up all to like? How many people have actually won in the last, I guess, 2 weeks?
With
since you've been
me?
doing it?
About 170, I think. 160.
So we should still have about 300 people that can sign up and win.
Yeah, but only about 50 only converted. So I'm not doing this. I'm trying to give people a chance to. So
Dang, chat. He's trying to do something nice for y'all.
I ain't doing it
Come
no
on.
more. I got 31 signups tonight, and it's free. I don't get it, so I ain't doing this no more. Anybody who signed up, okay, you can text me 914-500-7484. Okay, I want to see the people who signed up. You can blow up my phone. I don't care. I got no life anyway. So, my country is banned. What country is that? Anybody who signed up who didn't win, you could text me 914-500-7484. All right. Don't trade with TradeStation. Problem with the ladder. Until they fix it, you're clicking on ones, fives are popping up. There's definitely a problem with the simulator. So don't do it. Okay? What you should is get a like TradeAvate or Trading View one right now that's free. Practice on that because your simulator on TradeStation. Okay, well, number one, they're going to calculate real margin tonight. Because it's a member firm. It's not a proper count. Proper counts they don't factor in margin, right? Member firms calculate margin.
Should be zero right now.
But if you have a $500,000 buying power, how much?
Oh, I got a million.
Then you should have enough money to trade. But if that's wrong,
Yeah, I'm supposedly zeroed out, but let me.
okay.
'Cause,
Again, anybody who signed up for me, you could text me 914-500-7484. Yeah, you can learn. You can learn. All right. There goes up 30 off that low. Gotta wait for the 30-minute time frames. All right. So who says up and then down on the Chinese market? Okay. But who says down and then up? All right. My phone's blown up. Anybody who has not won, please text me 914-500-7484 for my 7-day free access. I want to see. I say up and then down. Pac-Man, thank you. Michael Jacques, thank you. Nobu, you're the best. S&Ps, should get one more push up here. Look at the S&Ps on a 30-minute time frame. Good Lord. Oh, my God. Look at the 30-minute right here. Look at this. Look at the 30-minute, Denny. Oh, my God.
Oh, I'm looking at it.
Again, if you guys, anybody new, you can, anybody who hasn't won, you can text me 914 500-7484. I say up and then down. There goes the S&Ps. If you just bought, they just trade down to 08.5. NASDAQ, look at the S&Ps. 09, what did NASDAQ just get down to? Why is it so quiet? Because the World Series is on, that's why. Look at it, Mr. Gold by a penny.
Gotta take profit when you can, Raphael.
Raphael, that's not
wait, you
true,
didn't get
Raphael. Look at
into
the
it, did you?
gold. Oh my God, look at the gold. I would scalp short this gold, 23 up to like 30 range. Again, I would use micros. What time we got? We got 8 minutes before the Tokyo, the Chinese market. So that was that buy right here, Denny. Denny, you understand that? Off the MACDs here.
Yeah.
Look at that new low right there. So now, but we're still in what's called a sell disconnect here. Kaboom! Trade the flows. I think you'll be ready. Okay. If you guys text me, you got to send me your email. Okay? If you text me, you got to send me your email. Okay? I want to see how many people signed up. Maybe I'll do something special on my own here. Gold to 40.40? I don't know about that. If you're short the gold, just look to cover below 22 here for a quick scalp. You see what I'm saying, Jonathan? What do you mean by cover? Yeah. With me for 9 months. What was I doing the last 8-9 months talking to you? Like, were you just like on Pluto and just like what were you on? You're wearing a Yankee hat. Defend the Bronx, proud, okay? Please.
Michael, there's nothing you're supposed to do. Like I've mentioned already before, you have to wait. The guy who issues the accounts, he hasn't gotten around to issuing them yet. But we'll get your free account if you won. It's delayed right now. Please give it a little bit more time. If you don't want to give it a little bit more time, open a ticket and support will help you there. But they will ask for proof.
Start screen again. Bullshit.
Yeah, but now I can see.
All right. If you're short the gold, look to just cover the short here. Okay. Kabooshed! Nice little scalp short on the gold. All right. Again, if you are new, okay, please text me your phone name and email. All right, I'll see what I can do here.
I'm just having a good time, John.
Always rise, always rise. Wow, did you get long down here, always rise, on that buy divergence? If you did, congratulations. That was a great job. Gold just dropped 4 just now. All right, I say up and then down for the Chinese market. Gold to 40.52. Wow. You're really bullish. Are there limited entries? No. Salazzo. Am I saying that right? Salazzo. From The Godfather. Salazzo. I don't know. I don't want to missay it. Somebody's saying gold to 40.40. Danny, we got to get to 7,800. Again, anybody who texted me, please text me your full name and email. Okay? Just don't text me and say hi. What am I going to do with that? Hi. Okay? What am I going to do with that? Hi. Text me. If you text me, retext me your full name and email before I slip my wrist like Frank Pantangelo in The Godfather. All right. Again, I would love to hear from you all. Okay. Again, S&Ps. I'll be looking to buy these 05 to 09 Nasdaq. Just dip below 75. The 15s in the 30-minute time frame should get one more push up on these S&Ps. Denny, did you go long down there, Denny?
Yeah. Or no, I haven't traded tonight, Steven.
Oh, what happened, Denny?
No, I'm working on stuff for my Fender Futures right now.
Okay. Something big?
Yeah, there's some good stuff coming.
Let's
very
go,
soon.
my friend of futures. Where's
I'm not gonna
Luke been?
spoil it or even give hints. Y'all never get anything out of me, but we do have some good stuff coming very soon.
What's the score of the game? 1-0 Dodgers? All right, we got the 3 minutes here. Please, if you texted me, you need to text me your full name and email. Okay, period. Boom. Or else I'm going to delete it. Rocky Mountain Trades, okay? Gold could hit the pivot, 40, 43. 20 up, could. 20 up. Anybody, again, if you are texting me, please text me your full name and email, and I'll see what I can do. All right? All right. How's Luke doing, Denny? Denny's not going to give you a hint. Are you crazy? No way. It ain't happening. Who wants a piece of gum? Don't drive me crazy. Right? Stop learning.
You're driving me crazy.
I'm driving you crazy. I'm driving you crazy. You got the wrong guy to drive crazy. Okay? I'm about to open up that bottle of scotch, Jonathan. You came here and said, please, Stephen, help me. For 8 months, it's going one ear out the other.
What are we doing? 40 people.
I'm not doing a raffle unless there's 100 or more.
Roger that.
I ain't doing it. I'm wasting my time. I get it. A lot of people work during the day. Don't get me wrong. I get it. We get Chinese market. Again, if anybody wants to reach out to me, please text me your full name and email. I'll see what I can do. Anybody who's texting me without their full name and email, I'm deleting it. Okay? Plain and simple. Spencer, what's going on? I'm having a piece of gum. 914-500-7484. All right. Let's just, let's see. Come on, push up. No, don't go down. Go up first. The short them. Damn it. Come on, go up first. Don't go down first. Come on, here we go. Go to 28, 29, 30. (914-500-7484). Anyone who texts, here we go. Okay, I'm going to be right down, up and then down. If this gold gets up to the 30.80 to 39.80. I would probably look to short it. That's what I think it's going. 30.80. 1-0. Goal gets up to the 28, maybe 28 to 38 range. I would scale shorts. I would go wide on this. When is the drawing for the accounts?
Never.
I'm not doing any. I only got 40 signups. Denny, you doing any tonight? Denny's watching this game. We got to get a cabooshin. Pushing long. What a look at this. Unbelievable. $91 overbought reading here. You can either short this 28 to 38 range, or you can go like 30.5 up to 40.5 range. Two nothing Dodgers. Come on, please. Ohani hit a home run. He'll be an MVP. Good job, Bob Barker. Oh, I want the Chiefs to lose in the worst way. That team gets every freaking call.
Yeah, they do.
Again, Kansas City refs. I love it. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. All right. Again, if anybody wants to text me, I'll decide if I'm going to give you, because I'm not going to do a raffle tonight. If you're short this gold, you want to text me for a free sign up to SK, just text me with your phone name and email. If you're short this gold at 28, lower your stops. Okay? You should be. Okay. That's what we're going to use tomorrow.
Okay.
Trade station is completely bananas. Okay?
Okay.
All right? Quick hand on the mouse. Okay? All right, gold. If this gold gets up to the 30.5, up to the 40.5 range, I look to scale short. Here we go. 30.80. Here we go. 30.80, 40. I told you it's going to go to 30.80. There you go. 30.80. Now you're $16 above the 10 bar. Scalp it. Trade it. What I think of this market now? It's dropping. Lower your stops. It just dropped 3. Trade it. Arton got the short. I know it. You guys gotta be fast, okay?
Hand on the mouse.
Hand on the mouse. Here, I'm gonna post it in here. How do I type in the YouTube? I want to type. They're asking me for my phone number.
I'll do it.
And in both. I don't know how to do it.
In bold? You can't.
No, in both.
Oh, in both.
Our town's all happy. Andrew Knapp, you got the short. Good job. Okay. Ohani single. Look at that. Okay. (914-500-7484). Again, anyone who texted me, please put your full name and email, okay? And I will decide to give you a 7-day free trial. There goes the gold dropping. It just hit that 30.80. I think it hit actually 31. 31. Just dropped 4. This gold wants to go higher. So right now gold is $16 above the 10 bar. If you want to take a scalp short here, you can go like the 32.80 up to 42.80 range. Look at this gold. So I just called the range. So you go 32.80, 34.80. Jonathan? Yeah. You scaling in, right? 32.80, 34.80. Okay.
Steven,
Yes, Danny.
I got 10 giveaways tonight. Can I go ahead and do them real quick?
That's it. 10.
That's it.
If they hit 600, they get another 10.
Sure.
All right. You could go lower your stops on the short. You see how fast it is? Mm-hmm. You can admit just now made about $300-400 on that gold. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, you're scalping the short on the based upon the non-confirmation. Okay, period.
All right, let me share my screen.
Okay. All right. So I just convinced gold just dropped 4 here, people. 3.5.
Remember,
Denny,
if you are not here
Denny?
tonight,
I say you wait. I wouldn't do it now. You're gonna do it now?
Oh, you want me to wait? Okay.
I say,
let's see it.
Here, do 5 now. Do 5.
Okay. Well, so here's the thing: if they're not here to claim it, then they're just not winning.
Right. If you
Which the
hear
first
the
person
rules,
is Jaquan Banting.
If you guys win, you have to be here. Okay. All right.
The link has already gone out, and I left it up for almost 20 minutes. I told y'all last week that I'm only going to start leaving it up for 15 minutes from now on. Jaquan, are you here? Mr. X, you can have 5 50K Pro accounts if they're funded, or you can have 3 100 or 3 150K if they're funded. Jaquan, I'm sorry if I don't know how to pronounce your name. Joaquin? Jack Boom, and that's why you're out of here. I said no negativity tonight. No name calling. All right, moving on to the next. I don't see it up there.
Morningstar, how are you, Morningstar?
Prash, are you here, Prash? Giving it 15 seconds, Prash, and then we're moving on. Oh, I see you, Prash. I see you, Prash. All right.
If we get to 600, we'll do an extra 10.
All right, 4 more to go for right now. Mr. X giveaway has already been closed. Jacinia, are you here, Jacinia?
Look at this gold. Unbelievable.
All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1.
1. All right, you're not here. Next. Go eat. Go eat. Thank you.
If we get to
Insane
600, we'll do another
Chili.
10.
Insane, where you at? I know you're in here. I know you're in here,
You
Insane.
gotta be quick,
I
dude.
see you every night.
3280, 3480. It drops. You gotta start lowering your stop. Jonathan, you gotta be fast, dude. This is like Formula One.
I see you, Insane. Three more.
All right, we're not there yet. 4052. You're still 22 behind.
Arthur Monk. Are you here, Arthur Monk?
I got a question to you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I see you, Arthur. Congrats. All right, moving on to number
I don't want you
4.
checking by
Who's
yourself.
lucky number 4?
Got it. Got it.
The Lazy Gamer. Sophia, go eat. Go eat. Okay, go brush your teeth. The Lazy Gamer, are you here?
I made an account.
I know, but I'm gonna get you one. Arton, what's the score? Arton, 2-0.
I see you, Lazy Gamer.
Look at this.
All right, number 5. Let's see who lucky number 5 is gonna be.
Dude, look at this gold rally. 45 off the lows.
NQ Trend Sniper.
Hey, there he is. NQ Sniper.
Go back inside. Okay, go tell mom to wash your or brush your teeth. Thank you.
Mark, if from Australia, please text me your phone name and
I
email.
see you, NQ Trend Sniper.
Listen, gold just dropped 6. Anybody still short?
All right, Chad, I'll be back a little bit later.
7 gold just dropped. Gonna get one more push up to 34, 35. Watch. You're getting 90 overbought reading on the 30 minute. Mark from Australia, if you're please text me your full name and email. Anybody who texted me, I'm gonna delete it. If you don't text me your email, okay? Period. Congratulations to the winners. What did you do? 10, Denny?
I only did 5 right now, Steven. I'll say I'll do
5?
another 5
All right.
round.
This gold gets up to the 35.80 to the 43.80. I would look to short it. I think this gold is going to get one more push up here. Why? I have no idea. Okay. The link for the next 5 is too late. You have to sign up within a certain time. Oh my God. We got to get up to the you have what? Do I have a video of your chart set up?
Chat, the reason why I do this is so I can see who's
it's on the
here.
website.
It's so I can see who's actually here paying attention to the stream. If you're just here to win giveaways, that's not here watching us. That's not here trying to enjoy the show.
Right.
So, I mean, if you're not here whenever I put the link in the chat, I'm not going to announce it. I'm just going to put it there. Whoever's watching, they will get to sign up. They will get a chance to win.
S&Ps, look to sell
Here,
out
pay
these
attention.
S&Ps 08 and 3/4 up to probably 09 and a half, 10. Bit for Logic Systems. Anybody that wants a free 7-day free trial, you can text me 914-500-7484. Full name and email, and I'll make a determination. Mark from Australia, did you hear me? Mark from Australia. All right, I'm still thinking that this gold can get up to the 3580. Okay, there goes the S&Ps on the long. Nasdaq, scale out any longs above 75. Still short the Nasdaq. I didn't say short. I was looking to go long off the 15 and 30 minute time frames. You got both flags on the 30 and 60 minute time frames. Why would you why do you look at it? Look at the 30-minute time frame on the S&Ps. I just showed it to you. Right here. Look at this. Right here. Look at the 30-minute. Now, with the negative MACD here, on any push-up, because the MACDs are negative on the 15 and 30, any push-up's going to make a lower high. Okay? Any push-up's going to make a lower high. You see the power of divergences, though? When this gold was making a new low here, how the 30-minute and the 15-minute MACDs cannot confirm the low? Look at that. Look at that right there. Boom. Cannot confirm the low.
I'm still trying to get on here.
Innovate?
The legends.
Yeah.
I'll give you here.
So,
Do this here. Oh, you have a chat?
oh, okay.
All right, this gold is gonna get one more push up here. Denny, I'm surprised you're not doing anything tonight, Denny.
I'm working on a couple of different things, so I want to put my focus into that. That way, chat will like it when it finally comes out.
Yep.
Believe me, I want to be making money, but I also got to make sure that
I
chat's
think
going to be
this
happy
gold-
with what we provide for
I
them.
think this gold's gonna roll over here. I'm hoping it gets up to 35.80, but if it's still short, look to cover shorts below 30 and a half here. Not doing it.
Well, when,
Max, I'm awake.
when Tristan-
I'm never asleep.
Yeah.
Instagram, TikTok.
I want to make sure this is all working properly, because I literally do.
Eli, I will
podcasts.
never
See,
touch
I didn't get
Battlefield.
that.
Never played a single one, and I don't play on today.
I didn't get that. I hit nano, I hit podcast, start, and then I could not stop it at the end. All right, gold's getting cabooshed here. If you're short, we'll get it right.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it here.
After I drop them off,
Yeah.
I'm going to come back and take some stuff to my my house. Get out of here,
Good.
make it clean up.
Alright, I'll help you.
Nasdaq to 26,500, Traver. Okay. S&Ps, gold just got cabooshed. Gold just dropped 7. Anybody still short? Julian? 3-2, Toronto? Oh my God. Our town, what happened? Prop Shop Trading just destroyed all the day's work on 2. How'd you do that? Jeff B Trading, good job on the short. Again, anybody, you got that? Yeah, I'll give you This gold should get one more push up here. Gold. 3-2 Dodgers. Is the left fielder David Schneider playing? Because we know him. My son played baseball with him. Let's see here. Who's that? Made a good job. Who is that? Geraldo, great job. Made 1,000, almost 1,064. Great job, Geraldo. Good job. What are you talking about? Gold? New all-time high? We are at an all-time high. Okay, again, anybody who texts me, you're going to need to send me your full name and email, or else I'm just going like this. Delete. Okay, or I'm not doing it. If you want me to consider giving you a 7-day free trial, just letting you know, okay? You got it, Bonaxi Design. All right. Denny, they want more promotions. We only had about 480 tonight. We gotta get 800-900 people. This is a joke. It's free. Free. What a joke. Right, Denny?
Guys, it was just that promotion that y'all are talking about. It was a chance to be in a giveaway. I don't know if My Fun to Futures will bring it back. I can bring it up to them, but I think we're trying to find new things to bring for y'all.
What do you do?
26.
Where are you short? Can't see you, Zada. I don't like that. All right, gold just dropped 7 here.
Yeah, I couldn't. Just keep practicing.
All right, you're gonna have a little bull flag. You get one more push up here. No, nothing's moving as much. Four to 2 Blue Jays. Wow.
Damn, they came back already?
Yeah. I think it's bottom of the 6th, right?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that Discord channel for the newbies that
What is he having help with? Need help with?
well like settings, you gotta do this, you gotta do that.
Denny, who do you guys use? TradingView? Denny, for My Fund the Futures, Denny?
We use TradingView. We use DS feed. We use Tradeovate, and then we use I mostly use Volmetrica.
He uses Tradeovate.
Yeah, the website.
These S&Ps, as they get down to the 02.5, 06.5, I've looked to buy them again here, down here. This gold, very, very quiet here. Very, very quiet.
Right, so she has traded
And again, anybody
her charts.
who wants to have a free 7-day, just text me. You guys text me at 914-500-7484. But you need to text me your full name and email.
And then you have to say bye.
Yeah, I don't know what's all this.
Because it's like a 2-click.
I mean, 2-click is better than.
No click, yeah.
Yeah,
I
so-
agree.
But yeah, let me look into it.
Okay.
All right. S&P's just rallied 2. Gold just dropped 7. My Lord, is it quiet? Good job, Geraldo. Great job. Danny, why is it so quiet tonight? Hey, Spencer. What's going on, brother?
I don't know. Maybe because today we had a really big jump in the price. Like the market already climbed a lot tonight. Or I mean, yesterday.
No, I mean gold
yesterday.
rallied. Gold rallied. Now I'm short this gold. These 15s and 30s should get cabooshed here. But I was hoping for 35.80. But if you caught the short up here, it just dropped about 7, 8.
Mm.
You're gonna get one more push down and then one more push up, and that should do it. Unbelievable. So until this gets fixed tomorrow. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Because
I just got it.
practicing is everything on this thing. It's messed up.
Yeah.
Gold just got cabooshed, $10, Denny. Where's the bear? So if you want to see something really crazy, if you guys want to see, oh, look at this gold, cabooshed. If you guys want to see something really crazy, look at this. You guys want to see something really, really crazy? I wouldn't be long up here with your money. Look at this gap here on the 60. Look at this gap right here. 1. Anybody short the gold still? Oh my God. Martin, great job. Look at this. Here, I'll make this smaller here. Okay? Look at this gap on a 60. Look at these 2 gaps on a 60. Even if you covered here, okay, you're talking 130 handles on the S&P, brings you back down to 67.70. Okay? Gold just got cabooshed here. Good job, do the trades. Okay? If you want to take a scalp long on the gold, probably anywhere between the 14.5 and 22.5 range. Scalp long only. So bearish though. Got to use micros if you do anything. Paresh 914-500-7484. Anybody see these gaps? Where's this going? Where are they going here? Gold just got cabooshed, Denny. 13. I'd scale out anywhere between 22 and 24 if it gets up there. I'm not liking this at all. 22, 24, 25. Oh, good job, Kiefer. YF2VB. Good lord. Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I think, is going to turn up off the 15 and 30-minute time frames. I said it. When the 30-minute scale down, gold, you could look to scale out anywhere 21 and a half up to 24. What's the question here, Devog? SPX blown, what? SK in general, when the 30-minute MACD is crossing downward, can we look for scalp longs? Yes, you can look to scalp longs against it. However, any push-up is going to run into a brick wall. Goes down 15 off the highs here. And on the mouse. Paw on the mouse. Okay, look at that. Beautiful bear flag. 34. That's why I was calling the and I said look to short one more time if you got up to 35.80. Gold's finished. Who kept on saying 40.52, 40? No way. Not when the 30 and 60-minute time frames are negative. These 60s roll over, it's over. You want to see you get one more push up to get out. Look at the S&Ps just rallied 3. If you're still long the S&P and NASDAQ, I'd be scaling out of longs here. I told you the 30-minute time frame is going to turn up on the S&P and NASDAQ. Gold should get one more push up. Told you, gold, I'll be scale out of longs on gold above 21. Okay? Nick Trito, 1400, good job. I told you the 30-minute time frame on the NASDAQ and the gold. NASDAQ and S&P. S&P just ran 4. NASDAQ just ran about 18. Okay? 18 off the 30-minute.
Hey, when you're entering the
There goes the gold. I'd be scaling out of longs on the gold. Come in, Manila.
that little checkbox. Click that. And then from now, exit it.
Anybody get the long on the NASDAQ or S&Ps off the 15 and 30-minute time frames? NASDAQ short. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what I did. Nick, great job, Nick.
Close that.
On scalp, gold round.
I called it already.
Is it too late?
You're going to make me have an aneurysm?
I'm asking. I don't know.
But you're 1.5, maybe 3 feet next to me. Do you not hear me say? Look to go buy the gold. I said 14.5 to 22.5, or 15.5 to 22.5, or 21.5. It dropped down to 17. I said, now look to exit longs. You're right here, Baba. Jonathan. Okay, then ask. What's the question? If I'm
Yeah,
calling a
within the
range,
buy.
if I'm saying look to buy,
Within a buy.
I need it. I don't understand. You're right next to me, and I buy gold? No, it dropped. I called a range. When gold was trading 24, I said, look to buy gold. 14.5 to 20. I already called the long on that off that pattern, right? So now gold started dropping. You could have bought 1.5s, maybe you bought 9. I said, look to exit longs above 20 now. So gold technically off the lows to now just rallied 6. Exit longs means sell it. Out. Exit. If I say cover shorts, that means it's dropping and cover shorts, right? That means we're short at 90, now it's 85, 87, cover shorts. There goes the gold right back up. Okay?
When you exit long, at that moment too.
Anybody get the long on the gold? He's new. He's new, so I'm trying to help him. Exit longs, Baba. Right? Anybody get that long on gold? Anybody? Nick, you're supposed to visit me anyway. Okay? Who got the gold on, who got the gold long? Should not be scared about doing anything. I don't want to hear the word scared. Okay? If you're scared, this is not the game for you. I don't want to hear the word fear. I don't want to hear the word scared. What?
The word,
If you don't understand, that's a different definition. I don't want to hear the word fear. I don't want to hear the word scared. I don't want to hear that bullshit from anybody. Okay? I'm not short gold, Michael. I was calling longs. And again, I'm not doing a raffle tonight, but anybody who wants a free account, I'll determine. You got to text me your phone, name, and email. Okay? Phone, name, and email. Okay? 914-500-7484. Bullshit, Martin. There's no fear. No fear, and I don't want to hear the word you're scared. You got to be immune to that, right? All right. Nice out on the gold.
Okay, good. Yeah, that's good. Consistent. And so, he also, hey, Uncle,
Yeah.
he
Right.
been exchanged.
See the gold? The gold was a nice exit. 25, just dropped 5. You have to use the underlying ETF. You have to use the underlying ETFs when you're trading the futures markets. If you're trading NASDAQ, it's the QQQs. S&P, spiders. Gold, GLD. Oil, USO. Right? Okay? RTY, IWM. YM, DIA. Okay? Period. Okay? All right. I don't want your YouTube. Anybody who's not listening, I'm deleting. I said phone name and email. I don't want your YouTube name, okay, on my text. I'm going like this. Boom, 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 and boom again. Gold, I look to buy here 02.5, 06.5. Let's see if, hold on. Let's just wait the 5 minute. Anybody who texts me, and when I go through my text, if I don't see a full name and email, I'm going like this. Delete. Delete, delete, delete. I'll determine who gets a free 7-day free trial. Okay? Period. If you don't sign up, guess what? Your name goes in the system, you can't get it again. How's that? That's the way Aaron wrote it.
Well, Steven, how about we do the last 5 giveaways real quick?
Okay, let's do it. We got to get this stream up.
I agree. Nitish Kumar. Kumar, are you here?
They got to be here to win. Yes, our ton is
Kumar.
real.
What's up, Edra? All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
I'm
4,
not mad, Jonathan.
3,
What I'm trying to
2,
say is,
1. Not here. Moving on to the next. Oh, he is here. I see him. I see him. I see him.
and I would say, you have to scale into
Next
the
one,
stream.
Gabriel Trades. Where you at, Gabriel? What in the world? Nitish. I see you, Gabriel. I see you.
Oh, 350, 400.
All right, moving on. Number 3.
And I'm not mad at you.
Rec 100. Are you here, Rec? No, TCE. Rec, are you here? I see you, Rec. Congrats. 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 2 more. To the next 2 are.
I told him the week he's still with me.
His Royal Trade.
he needs to
Royal
focus on
Trades,
this.
are you
When
here?
He goes back, he can do what he wants. He has to really elevate himself. Don't want him wasting his time. While he's here.
I
that's
see
what
you,
said.
Will.
When you're here. Not when you. I never said not to never watch it. I said when you're here, you
Congrats.
focus
Congrats.
on me.
Congrats.
Focus on me when I'm teaching you.
All right. Who's ready for the last one? Last one. Billy. Billy. Billy, I need to see your name in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. I didn't see your name, Billy. Moving on to the next. Vakil Kurishi? I see you, my man. All right. Congrats to the tip for tonight. We will be back tomorrow with some more giveaways.
All right. Very quiet, Denny. And we only got about 450 people. We got to talk about this. We got to get these more people up here. Right, Denny?
I agree. I agree.
Oh, man. There goes the gold right back up. Gold just rallied 8. And again, anybody who wants the 7-day free trial, I'm going to decide. Please text me your full name and email, and Aaron and I will sift through it. Okay? Again, 914-500-7484 if you want the 7-day free trial. Now, again, if I grant it to you and you don't sign up, you can't win for 3 more months. I'm just telling you now. Okay? So, please understand that. Wow, Chief 7, Commander 7. All right, gold just rallied 10, Denny, on that.
But I think
There goes the gold. There goes the gold. And again, anybody who wants a 7-day free trial, please text me your full name and email. I stream every day from 9 to 4. And it's really a great community, I'll tell you that. And then it's just a stream for 7 days. Okay, it's just a stream.
All right, chat. I know y'all keep asking. When I posted the link, there was 230 people that actually signed up for it. 230. That's how many entries there was. I'm going to say this again while everybody is here. For this week, well, actually for all the time now, if you are not here to claim it, when I call out your name, then I'm moving on to the next person after a certain amount of time and giving you a chance to answer first. Okay? I'm not changing it up. I'm going to keep it the way I've been doing it. You have to be here. You get 15 minutes to sign up. If you don't sign up within that time, you're just missing out on the night.
I agree, Denny. Enough is enough. I mean, people. These are not hard rules, you know?
Yeah.
Look, 961 on the Pro 50K account. Done for the day, Ethan. 55588. Good job, Ethan. Great job. Denny's the GOAT? Oh, yeah. I mean, I don't get it, man. You got a free night here. My fund the futures. Okay, some nights are slow. Some nights are busy. Caught some really great longs on the S&P and NASDAQ. Okay. Gold. Couple great patterns. Nice shorts. Grim Skull 416 Kaboosh. Not really. How do you trade gold on my Fund the Futures TradeOvate account? Oh boy. Shorting gold? I don't know if I was short gold here, unless it gets a little higher. Cloud 4,800, made 1,400. Congratulations. Good job, running man. See, 19 is slow, busy, we're still learning. Exactly. That's what this stream is about. And then you get Pac-Man 200 on 20 accounts, singles and doubles. All you need to be, see this? Read this. Come here. Jonathan, wake up. This, Pac-Man. Okay? That's the name of the game. Singles and doubles. Pac-Man, where do you have 20 accounts with? Okay? Pac-Man.
He's a Marine.
Pac-Man's a Marine.
I think so.
I'm talking about. Gold just dropped 4. And again, if anybody wants a free 7-day free trial to my live stream, please text me. Again, I'm going to say it. Your full name and email. Don't give me your YouTube. And don't send me, hi, Steve. Nice to meet you, because I'm deleting it. What's my phone number? 914-500-7484. Folks, thank you very much. Please don't ask me about XAU. I don't look at XAU. 100 people left because it's the end of the night. And again, if you want to text me for a free 7-day free trial, you get one chance. If I pick you and you cannot resubscribe for 3 months. But don't try to game it. My system knows. And if you do try to game it, you're banned for life. I'm just telling you the rules. Period. Okay? I'll pick a slew of people here. Okay? Hey, Shovel Spar, really? Where do you live? I have no. Yeah, I charge well for the live stream, for the member Discord and the chart overlay. It's $4.50 a day. You can't make $4.50 a day. Pac-Man just made 200 on 20 accounts. Do the math. Okay. And I stream at nanosecond. You know what that costs? Okay. Jay Schilling, you got to scale in properly. Okay. Jay Schilling. If you want to call me, just call me at my number or text me. Then don't do it. I've been 43 years in the game. Who do you think I am? Go ahead, take care, CJC 4510. Have a great night. Angel? Okay, Angel. Raphael Trades, I hope to meet you one day. S&Ps, if they go down to the 02.5, 06.5, I'd look to buy them. Charles Williams, nice to meet you. Have a great night. No, Ryan just built something to handle up to 20 accounts. Jeff. My God, is it quiet. Lashi 72, REC 100X, you're very welcome. Zeph Side 84, have a great one. Lashi, have a great night. Gold seems heavy. I agree. I think gold's going to get crushed. Mustikok. What's it? Mustik. The Trade Nest. Thank you very much. Ishmi 9780. Have a great night. Girl in Trend. Have a great night, brother. All right. Again, before I sign off here, have a great night. I have a podcast every night called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Please, 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 watch it. Okay? Please watch it. Every night on my YouTube, SK Trading at 6 p.m. Also, again, like I said, I want to say thank you for Denny. Thank you for My Fund the Futures for sponsoring tonight. Okay? Thank you for Denny. Taveen, thank you. Adam, thank you. Thank you.
Well, Steve, I thank you for coming up here every single night, teaching us and guiding us in the way of how you trade and how everything is supposed to move in the market. So thank you.
I just want everybody to do well. As you know, I'm not an affiliate. Okay? I don't believe in that, and I don't do that. And but I just want all of you to pass. All I want is all of you to be consistent. I want every one of you to have your lives changed. Okay, Dabata Payaki. All right. With that being said, again, if anybody wants a free 7-day free trial, you can text me at 914-500-7484. I'll decide who gets it, but you need to text me your full name and email. If you don't, I am deleting it. Trust me, I'll delete it. Okay. Denny, have a great night, brother. We'll cut it 2 minutes early here. Let's do
You
it.
too, bro.
All right, have a
You
great
too.
night, everybody, and God bless you. Look at the shirt, USA, baby. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Have a good night, everyone.
Yeah. Chart scribbled.
It stopped streaming. Adam? Aaron? Hit stop streaming.